Data analysis seems complicated. Something only math geniuses or computer programmers can understand, right? Not exactly. With the right approach, anyone can pick up useful data skills, even total beginners. Data touches every industry today. Learning some analysis opens all sorts of exciting jobs and opportunities. This podcast explains why data skills matter so much and how regular people can start learning, even without advanced degrees. We'll cover key benefits of understanding data, a starter roadmap for new learners, the highest potential data careers, advice for maximizing progress. Let's debunk myths around data analytics and see why it offers tremendous upside for all types of people, regardless of math grades. Why bother learning data analysis? Many dismiss picking up data skills because it seems boring, difficult, or irrelevant to their goals. That's unfortunate because data literacy unlocks all sorts of advantages. Here's why learning data analysis truly pays off. Crucial job skill. First and foremost, data skills lead to in-demand, lucrative jobs. The people who can find trends and insights from data are highly sought after. There simply aren't enough qualified data pros to fill all the open roles. Jobs grow faster in data than nearly any other field. Starting median pay above $60K is standard for roles like data analyst and business intelligence analyst. Dealing with data isn't going away. By gaining these abilities early, you set yourself up for a stable career. Applies everywhere. While data jobs pay well, you don't necessarily have to work at a technology company to use data skills. Data analysis is now used literally everywhere. Sports teams analyze player performance. Governments collect public data on issues. Marketers measure ad effectiveness. Scientists study disease trends. And more. Having experience working with real data can be a competitive difference maker when applying for all types of jobs. Builds critical thinking. Proper analysis requires strong logical thinking abilities. You must ask the right questions, accurately measure key factors, spot real trends amidst noise, test different solutions, carefully interpret results, and clearly explain findings. Mastering data analysis strengthens critical life skills around pattern recognition, evidence-based thinking, and problem-solving. Math and CS connection. Data analysis directly applies concepts taught in classes like math, statistics, and computer science. Getting hands-on with real-world datasets reinforces classroom learning with practical examples. Early data projects also allow students to expand skills from school more quickly through self-directed learning. You unlock capacity to pick up more advanced techniques tailored to your unique interests. In summary, don't let the stereotypes around data analysis deter you. Far beyond just tech jobs, data skills provide value across industries by strengthening critical thinking and quantitative abilities that drive real-world success. Let's now debunk beginner objections to learning data by constructing an actionable roadmap. How can beginners start learning data analysis? Complete newbies may doubt their ability to pick up something as complex as data science. But structured correctly, beginners absolutely can start building valuable data skills quickly. Here's a simple roadmap to guide first analytics projects. Step 1. Use free online resources. The best part about being a data beginner in 2023 is the sheer volume of high-quality free learning materials available online. Sites like Kaggle, Google Analytics Academy, and Code Academy contain explanatory content introducing all facets of data analysis through articles, videos, and courses. Consuming passive learning materials alone generally isn't enough, though. Step 2. Practice in Excel. The quintessential entry point for hands-on data work is still good old Excel. The suite of Excel formulas, tables, and graphs can handle diverse data tasks. Through Excel, you can import, clean, and format raw datasets from websites and databases. Calculate totals, averages, and find trends with formulas. Create charts, dashboards, and visualizations to illustrate insights. Automate repetitive analysis steps for efficiency. Aim to push Excel skills as far as possible before considering coding tools. Step 3. Find public datasets. Practice analysis on real-world topics that genuinely interest you rather than bland textbook examples. Sites like Kaggle, data.gov, and Data World host 1,000s of free public datasets around. music, movies, books, and entertainment, video games and sports statistics, climate, crime, taxes, and policy, technology, advertising, and business. Analyze chosen datasets start to finish, from importing to cleaning to visualizing key findings. Mimic professional workflows on topics you care about. Step 4. Start simple. Absolute beginners can still derive tremendous value from data by starting simple before working up to complex machine learning and artificial intelligence. With early practice datasets, focus first on basic counting, sorting, filtering, and descriptive statistics. Create basic data visualizations like bar charts, histograms, and scatter plots to explain findings. Let natural curiosity guide you to refine and improve analysis in incremental steps. Stay patient with yourself while constructing this vital analytical foundation. That's an actionable 4-step starter guide for data analysis newcomers. Prioritize consistent hands-on practice across small projects versus consuming dense theory without application. Now let's spotlight some of the highest potential data careers perfect for newcomers looking to skill up quickly. Which data careers offer the best bang for buck? While data scientists and machine learning engineers grab headlines, many less glamorous data jobs provide incredible income and demand with shorter ramp-up. Here are some top options. Data analyst. Data analysts help companies large and small make business decisions by spotting trends and insights within data. Much of the work involves importing and cleaning messy datasets, running SQL queries to analyze key metrics, creating compelling data, visualizations and presentations. With some self-guided learning, newbies can become proficient in key data analyst skills, starting with Excel, SQL, and Tableau. Opportunities abound at tech companies, but also banks, hospitals, retail chains, etc. Business intelligence analyst. Closely related to data analysts, BI analysts aim to improve business operations and strategy through data. However, they possess extra business context to translate analysis into actionable plans. BI analysts have a competitive edge knowing both data skills and specifics of the industry they work in. Combine programming with great communication abilities. Marketing analyst. Modern marketing departments rely heavily on data. Digital ads and customer research produce mountains of data to guide campaigns. Marketing analysts help make sense of it through web analytics tools, statistical models, and experiments. Math whizzes who also have creative flair for campaigns can accelerate into senior marketing roles through data specialization. Financial analyst. For business-minded math students, learning to analyze financial data unlocks lucrative potential as analysts at banks, hedge funds, and insurance providers. Accounting coursework combines perfectly with data abilities like Excel, Python, and Power BI. Core skills include building valuation models, recognizing non-performing assets, calculating risk exposures, and spotting market anomalies. This sampling of data careers shows there are many options beyond just data scientists and engineers requiring advanced degrees. Target roles overlapping both data abilities and personal interests. Let's wrap up with some key advice for learning data analysis efficiently as an absolute beginner. How should beginners approach learning data analysis? Here are some tips to accelerate your data analysis learning, avoid frustration, and ensure real career impact. Connect concepts back to math stats class. Data analysis has direct roots in mathematical thinking. Struggling? Review basic techniques from old textbooks and refresh fundamentals. Work through full projects, not one-off lessons. It's tempting to jump between passive video tutorials, but only end-to-end analysis projects crystallize abilities to actually use professionally. Follow milestones: importing data, cleaning data, performing analysis, creating visualizations and recommendations. Don't overlook Excel. Yes, coding and machine learning are flashy, but Excel remains a data workhorse, especially early in your career. Become an expert in formulas, dashboards, and automation with VBA. Build a portfolio. Collect your best analysis work and explanations in a central portfolio. Quantify your growing data abilities to showcase to employers and schools. Find a data mentor. Connecting 1x1 with an experienced data practitioner tails guidance perfectly to your background and goals. Ask targeted questions on topics needing clarity. Accountability. Study data analysis consistently. Like any skill, retention matters greatly. Small regular practice sustains abilities far better than cramming followed by months away. Commit to frequent learning. Data analysis seems opaque initially, but following a structured, patient path unveils incredible value. Stay curious. Start simple. Build complexity over regular practice. Both youth and career changers can craft realistic data analyst pathways, matching personal strengths and market needs. First jobs lead to ever-expanding possibilities as skills compound. The future favors the data literate. Determine now to develop this universally useful capability and reap benefits for decades to come. Data analysis success stories are just getting started.